Hello children. Now we are going to see decimals in measurement of weight. Weight indicates the measure of heaviness of an object. That is how light or how heavy an object is. Different objects have different weights, right? Okay. Now the standard unit of weight is gram. Still going further, we can say that kilogram is also a standard unit of weight, okay, which we use commonly in our life. Now, when we come to lighter objects, that is such as biscuits, an apple, an orange, or a cricket ball, and you are asked to weigh, then it would be in grams, okay, and grams is written in small alphabetical order, that is G. And when we have to go for heavier objects, then it is just like that I have to measure watermelon, a pumpkin, rice bag, wheat bag, etc. Then it is measured in kilogram, and kilogram we used to write it in kilogram like this. Okay, now what the relationship is? Then we have 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, and if I want what is 1 gram, then 1 gram is 1/1000th of a gram. Okay, so here I can write that 1 gram is 1000 milligrams. Is it okay? So here we are going to see this type of conversions. Now I hope you understood that we use grams to weigh things which we buy in small quantities. Okay? And we use kilogram to weigh objects which are in larger quantities. Okay, so here I will write to weigh, and this is for larger quantities. Now read the question, express in decimals. This is 395 grams. You have to express into kilograms. Okay, so we have to think how many grams make 1 kilogram. So we know that 1000 grams is equal to 1 kilogram. It means how much is 395 grams? So it means this is 395 divided by 1000. It means after decimal point you should have 3 digits. Okay, so here after decimal point I should write this 3 digits, that is 395, and this is 0. Okay, so these many kilogram. In case you have the question say 8695 grams, you have to convert it into kilograms. Okay, it means this number is to be divided by 1000. Why by 1000? Because 1000 grams make 1 kilogram. So divided by 1000, and as we have seen that denominator is having 1000, which is having 3 zeros. So after decimal point 3 digits you should have. Okay, so here last 3 digits stands for grams, that is 695 will be for grams, and 8 is kilograms. Okay, so here this is the answer. Let me take one more example here. So I am writing here, say express this 36 grams into kilograms. Okay, it means I have to divide 36 by 1000. Now it means after decimal point I should have 3 digits, but here the numerator is 36. So 36 I have to express it in 3 digits. So how to write 36 in 3 digits? That is 0, 3, 6. And what about the number before decimal point? That is 0, and the unit you are going to write it as the bigger one. Okay. Now one more question here I am giving. Say I have given 9.73 kilograms. You have to convert it to grams. Now what does it mean? What you need to see whenever this type of conversions are given, kilogram, grams or whatever it is, then what the relationship is, 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. In 1000, 3 zeros are there. So after decimal point you should have 3 zeros. Okay, 3 digits you should have it. So here when you see the question here, the third digit is not given. So here one more thing you can recall, that is I have explained, that is equivalent decimals when we are talking about, then 1.5 is one and the same as 1.50, which is one and the same as 1.500 also. Okay, so it means this I can express it as 9.730 kilogram. These both numerals are one and the same. Okay, so when I have to convert this, I should remember that this is not only 73 grams. This is 730 grams. Okay, so here 9 kilogram, that is 9000 grams, and 730 grams you add to 9000, so it becomes 9730 grams. Okay, so when you express it like this, that is after decimal point, think of the relationship and add those many zeros if required. If it's not required, you are not going to do so, and then you can straight away remove the decimal and write the answer. Okay, here one more thing you can remember, that 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So 9 kilogram is 9000 grams. So 9000 grams plus 730 grams. So it comes to 9730 grams. Fine. Now see the question given here. You are asked to convert 0.36 kilograms into grams. Okay. Now as you know, 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. Okay. So here you are asked for 0.36 kilograms is how much? And it means you were doing 0.36 into 1000. So yes, you can go ahead 0.36 into 1000, right? And 0.36 I can express it as 36 upon 100. After decimal point 2 digits, so denominator is 100 and multiply by 1000. So denominator you can write it as 1. 2 zeros will go away. So what is the answer here? 36, that is 36 into 10, it comes to 360 grams. Okay, if you have understood, then I said that when this is the relationship, you can think that 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. So after decimal point, have the habit of writing the number in 3 digits. So here this is 36 only. So what you can do is, you can write here, that is here 0.36, you can express it as 0.360 kilograms. They are one and the same. And as you know, before decimal point, we are writing the bigger unit, and after decimal point, the smaller unit. So what does it mean? This is kilogram and this much is grams. Okay, and here the same number we have written. See here. Okay. Now let us see application questions. See the question given here. From a packet of sugar weighing 5 kilogram, 500 grams, 486 grams of sugar was used up for making a sweet dish. How much sugar is left out in the packet? Okay, so this is the question of kilogram, grams. So here I will write kilogram and grams. Now what is the relationship? 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. Okay, before decimal point, bigger unit, after decimal point, the smaller unit. And this is 1000 grams. So I will write whatever the grams are given, I should write it in 3 digits. Okay, now coming to the question, 5 kilogram, 500 grams. Okay, so here I will write 5 kilograms and 500 grams. So you can express it in decimals like this. And this much sugar was used up. You can see that this is grams. So I should not write it in kilograms section. I should write it in grams section. So here in kilograms section 0 point and 486 is already in 3 digits. So I will write it as 486. Now subtraction because it is used up. So here this is 10 minus 6, this is 9, this is 4. So this will be 4, 1, 0 and this is 5. Okay. So how much sugar is left out in the packet? That is, you can see that 5 kilogram, and what is this number? These many grams, that is here 14 grams. Okay, so 5 kilogram and 14 grams sugar is left out in the packet. Okay, now coming to the next question. You can see the question here. Alok purchased these many grams potatoes, 250 grams dhania, 5 kg 300 grams onion, 500 grams palak and 2 kg 600 grams tomatoes. Find the total weight of his purchases in kilograms. So I will make the proper columns. This is for kilograms and this is for grams. In grams section, I should write 3 digits. Now coming to the first part, 1 kg 200 grams. So 1 kg before decimal point bigger unit and after decimal point smaller unit. So kilogram is here and this is for grams. It is already in 3 digits. So these many kilogram potatoes. Okay. Now the second one is 250 grams dhania. So this is for grams. So in grams section I should write 250 and in kilograms section I should write 0. Okay, this is dhania. And now the third part, that is 5 kg 300 grams onion. So 5 kg in kilograms section and this is 300 grams. So I should write it here 300 grams and this is onion. And now 500 grams palak. So in kg section 0 and in grams section I should write 500 and this is palak. Okay. Now the last one, that is 2 kg and 600 grams tomato. So 2 kg and 600 grams tomato. And now add them up. So you have this to be 0. This is 5. 4 and 6, 10 and 8, 18. This is 1, 5, 2, 7, 8 and 9. So now what is the final answer? That is 9 kg and 850 grams. Don't forget to write the answer step, that is the total weight of his purchases. That is, who is the person here? Alok. So Alok's purchases in kilograms, or you can write is 9 kg and 850 grams. Now look at this one more question. The weight of an empty gas cylinder is 18 kg 75 grams. The weight of the gas contained in it is 12 kg 350 grams. What is the total weight of the cylinder filled with gas? Now I should write kilograms and grams and think of the relation between these two. 1 kilogram 1000 grams. So after decimal point 3 digits. Okay. So here 18 kg, before decimal point you have to write the bigger unit and after decimal point the smaller unit. So here this is 18 kg. So in kilograms section I will write 18. and this is only 75 grams. So how can you express this 75 grams in 3 digits? So can I write it as 075? Okay, don't write it as 750. It will be 750 grams. We have to write only 75 grams. So this is 075. And then the weight of the gas contained in it is 12 kg 350 grams. So 12 kg and 350 grams. This is already in 3 digits. So I have written as it is given. So this is 5, 12, this is 4 and this is 10, 3. Okay. So what is the answer? That is the total weight. You will write it as total weight of the cylinder filled with gas is 30 kg and 425 grams.